Welcome to Spencer's Spot. Today I'm opening some Super Lego Mario packs. Let's open some up. Just have to connect them first. Now I'm gonna go get something to open them with.
Don't run with scissors.
So let's open some. Now we're just going to have to build them.
What do you say? Build it, build it, build it, build it, build it.
Build it, build it, build it.
Turn him around a little so I can see the other sides of him. Cool. All right, show Mario in action, dude.
It turned off while we were building it.
If you can see his shirt, if Spencer doesn't move him too much, you can see his little shirt reacts to what he's crashing or doing. So right now it has a little turn hat guy on it. All right, what'd you get in the other pack, Spence? Well, the colors of the pieces are different, so that's a good sign. Or we could throw them all over the house. That's always a good option too, I guess. All right, what time is it?
4:09.
Or time to
It's time to build.
build it, build it, build it. So the first guy Spencer got was Bob-omb. Bob-omb. And I think from looking at the random pieces scattered across the table, this is probably Eep Cheep. We'll put it together and see. The magic of video, you'll get to see it partially put together and then fully put together. He's already gotten started. Go.
So this is what it looks like. This is what he does. It's simple. Uh-oh. I'm just gonna put it this way. So,
You got pretty lucky with two different ones today in your grab bags.
yeah.
So, in case you didn't see, this is what the bags look like. They're Super Mario, like accessory bags. There's a few different ones, character packs. And these are the guys that Spencer got.